TTADC hapangi loaji Mumbai Counseling Seminar Panda Swrangchati Koktisalo Maniko Enclave Pandana Chatika Tharmasangai Chengai Rafane Angai Faimanjak Fakya AARC ni Chairman BUBAGRA Pradit Kishore Devarma Manjaka NAVIS HR ni CEO Takako Uchibuchi Manjaka TTADC ni EM Kamal Kolaino Khoboi Juda Adongrok Khorok Thamchi Candidate Rok Tini Koktisalo Counseling Seminar Panda Swrangchati
Aging population, and they need nurses, caregivers, and they don't have enough people to look after them. We have enough nurses who are qualified but are not getting jobs in Tripura, in Northeast, and the rest of India. Now, if we can learn the Japanese language, they will be given placements in different parts of Japan, where they will get a salary up to 2.5 lakhs a month. Their entire training in Bangalore, which will cost around 3.5 lakhs, out of which 60,000 will be financing from our side, and the remaining money will not be taken from the students. Only after they get the placement and they start getting salary, a portion of it will be taken away from on a monthly basis. So I want our people to make more money. I want them to be more proficient, to have a better life, a better future. So that's why we have done this workshop today. I'm happy to say that I think around 24, right? 24 people have already enrolled themselves. We would hope that another 40, 50 also come, so that nurses who are getting 10,000, 15,000 in a private setup, who are getting very less in the government setup as well, will get almost 20 times more salary, 15, 20 times more salary if they just learn how to speak Japanese language, for which they will be training them. So I think this is a big avenue. There are other avenues as well, and I hope that if we cannot provide jobs, at least they should be not far behind, and they should get jobs elsewhere in India or rest of the world.
So it's a win-win situation for all.
It is a see, if we want to get our community upwards, then we have to ensure that they get more money in their pocket than what they're getting today. And learning another language is always better for us. Whether it is German, whether it is Japanese, whether it is another Indian language. So I think when this entire country is talking about 3 languages or 2 languages, I think Indians are very talented people. Our people from Northeast are very talented. Our drawback is that we don't have command over language. And when you look at Korea, when you look at Japan, when you look at Southeast Asia, we are actually, if you see, we are all over the hotel industry, we are all over the service industry. So why can't we also come into the nursing industry? Because that place has been taken by people from Kerala largely. But if our people get jobs and make better salary, they will send more money back home, they will have a better lifestyle, they'll have a better career, a better future. And that's all I want to do for our people.
Asamo borok NAVIS Assam by Taya Bunka, Megaloy Betaya Bunka, Midiram Betaya Bunka, Senior Tripura, Bahino Jesmano, so no Bahino Bubagra Beko, Salamani Yagulan Yagisni, Sini Madam Takako Shubichi, was a common already Bushuro Hoima, Japano Burinas in Belaikitima. Okay, as a go, beton bundle of Simon, beton mine, exactly. Borogaro care services a beton cano, long the Borogaro for carrying nuts by Kitchen or a command nuts, not do Boshor, second tomorrow, edition nuts, Nahame, advertisement Capro. But I asked the Susan Borok a play kitchen. Get some Jonka edition now, he was a Muslim, and asked the Susan on the not by me a day. I guess some like a vision and now vision and now solution and now constitution and now maximum action and now no. They bought by Kiroboro Tangmeba. Chini building by Kitchen, we should done into but by Kiroboro Tangme, Boro, Japan, and now my managing, they are interested in Hoka, Boro Black Patient for the better. No man is interested for reaching Romanino, some seminar, some advertisement, application depending on Nishaka, Tawu, which you receive Kaitongo. Chini principal health. Okay, Chuntawu, I think I think seminar Kakamanico enclave, Jetangme Romo, Arabahika Tonjamai, Bahika Sarizamai, Bahika Salary Manai, Abado Joton Saka. जों ताव hopefully जों ताव ताव नाय जों बसु बरक लाङिमान 100 के 100 200 के एडिसि जों स्पन्सर खायनाय बरक बेंगालुरु तंमानि थानानै आबादखौ जों ताव स्पन्सर खायनाय जों दिनै कक्साब लायखा हायद्राबाद बेंगालुरु चेन्नाई तंमानि तिप्रासारनि बागै जों आं निजे थाङै जोंनि सिइअ नो फानलागा जोंनि प्रिन्सिपाल अफिसार हाननो थाङै बेंगालुरु बो माइके कायसे सेमिनार खायनाय आरो जे अलरेडि जिएनएम एनएम पास आउट जेरै दङ चिनि नार्स पास आउट दङ आ जागाव तनहै जों बरकना आरो काउन्सिलिं खाय गोबां कोचिं नि नार्स दङ जारा मुचुंनाय बरकना जारा मुचुंनाय से बरकना रह जमान बरना दां फैसा हालक सामै जमान आबाद बावि जातियाव लाय दङ তিনি তো 24 জন এনরোলমেন্ট अंखा आगे 16 জন अंखा आबानि सिगां 3 জন अलरेडि जों नेभिस फोराव दाबो एडमिशन नङै खिया फार्स्ट फेज जों 3 জন आनि के टारगेट नङै माने आबादथ' फुलफिल नङा हाइपन जों तेबो रन मचो तेबो जुदि इंटरेस्टेड दं हाके फाइबे जों वेलकम
वैकेंसी के खाली दं
बसुक डेट जति तंनाय सार एप्लिकेशन नि बागे
मान जों आबो एक्सटेंड खाइ दं ओ मास बिसोर जारा मचुनाय र फाइदि करन फाइदि प्रिन्सिपल अफिसर हेल्थ डिटेडिसि मोनङो फाइ
ट्रेनिंग बसुक दिनसिं नां
6 मास ट्रेनिंग
जानानै लेंनानै थानानै
ai abake Japanese language संनाय Japanese बेकक सानानि मा सोंनाय बरनि कालचार बरक बाहिके बरनि तंमं सामं किसे बुन्देसा बुनि हाव थांनाबा बरनि किसे तंमं सामं फोरोंनि बरनि कक फोरोंनि रगाके सामं थांथावनाय
आरो जे तो जीएनएम तो एनएम तो बहाय बहाय नतलां
जों बीएससी नार्सिंग ते जीएनएम एनएम मतलाङो किन्तु प्रेफर खायो जीएनएम ते बीएससी नार्सिंग खायजा रम के ताइ बुका
Nagus, NAVIS HR, ka oshiguchi kuntai, angu aikan kana haburai. Is it right? Sorry, so this is my first time. So anyway, so thank you for this opportunity to having this seminar and welcoming student candidate from Tripura. So I want to explain that so what is the opportunity here. So working in Japan has many advantages which can be highly beneficial and for families also. Firstly, Japan is known for its rich culture and natural beauty, offering a wonderful lifestyle. You can enjoy Japanese dishes like onigiri and tempura, while also remembering the traditional flavor of Tripura, such as pecan and bambao. Is it right? Secondly, Japan provides a stable job opportunity which attractive salaries. It's possible to earn a monthly income of over 1 lakh, which is much higher than the average monthly income in Tripura. This stable income not only enhance the financial security of families, but also always for meaningful investment in education and healthcare for a better future. Moreover, Japan is famous for being a safe country where women can work comfortably. Workplaces are generally free from discrimination, ensuring equal opportunities for everyone. Many of our students are happily working in Japan, enjoying their jobs and gaining a valuable experience for their future. Additionally, Japan's anime culture is widely loved around the world. Popular shows like Naruto and Dragon Ball, Shinchan, everything. So making cultural experience in Japan even more special for children. Working in Japan is not just about earning a better income. It's also a chance to embrace a new culture, enjoy a fulfilling lifestyle, and share wonderful experiences with your family. This makes Japan an excellent choice to take your career to the next level. So, I'm very confident if you take this opportunity, you will be 100% happy in Japan because we have evidence. We have over 200, 300 students already work in Japan. Once they travel to Japan and working in Japan, they build beautiful house. Their financial problems solved, so they become very happy. I think that. So, but if you select this, decide this opportunity, maybe some doubt, because of the new experience, you have to understand everything, right? But we are here. We came from Bangalore, so we are here. We are experiencing everything. So today is your new career goal. So I want to see you in Bangalore. Thank you.
Today, Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council and NAVIS HR are organizing counseling seminar for taking nurses to Japan. So this is Tripura and NAVIS HR, a journey of trust, transformation and opportunity. On this occasion, I am very much delighted to welcome His Highness Maharaja Pradip Kishore, Honorable Chairman of AARC, Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous Council, and also I welcome Ms. Takato Oshiguchi, CEO, NAVIS, HR, Japan. And also I welcome Mr. Kamon Kalui, Sini Twiprasarogno Bagwi, has a great opportunity. So, bahaya akan tahu kan Japano kanan musuh kau. Nirok tetap Japano tangan di Bagwi tahu suku mana naik kamu. Nirok Japano tangi. Our neighbors Hamutami, Nirok Nijedi career build up any Rampu Chandani, Nijedi Shamsana, Nijedi Nuko, Ninimama, Mopa, Tapu Pukono, support any financially. O Compactor Sabe, Nirama, wishing you all the best. I would like to conclude my welcome speech here. Thank you very much.
Hengkangkai kini je seminar rumah ni hengkangkai NAVIS HR by je TDADC brok je Memorandum of Understanding sign kemeni seminar kemeni reason hengkangkai je NAVIS HR brok ni office tongo Bangalore aro ni hoite BUBAGRAni kereng lai te Tripura People Foundation be kereng mani pore o jaga brok candidate select hanyen bai phaika so oro jodi nang obono interested tongo hengkangkai a job niti interested tongo hingkang kanara TTA disi bai kereng mano hai ka Tripura People Foundation bai kereng mano so basically a company singka tam khai o jaga ni borok no borok Bangalore trangai 6 months ni bagai training ro language training karon Japan kaisa oba hai country je bong yango joto ni sai sekang haimani no bongni culture je bongni kok bongni je tomung samung ro no maserang nai amo serengmani pore borok nono Japano Twlangjak aro job offer khaimani pore nanga jaga salary kaham ken manai salary tabu ko jaga puno kitongka 1,05,000 ni sing 1,40,000 jora apuni por bangai thangmano borok ni maximum salary je tongo 3.5 lakh jora so je interested tongne rok ADC bai kereng mano hai ka ba NAVIS HR bai kereng mano hai ka ba Tripura People Foundation bai phang kereng mano Bangalore
Thangnani tongmoinani bahai abo rang pusane
o jaga o ADC government sponsored khai tongma hangkangkai 50,000 brok sponsor khai tongo per student
totally na per student
borok ni abo to kaisa limitation borok rajak borok I think 30 jon ana sponsor khaine but to borok confusing mano je 30 jona borok sinda thangmane hiri atya borok ni kaisa target tongo 1200 jona borok entire notice ni tlangnai jodi norok addition iti thangai mai apana norok direct navis epana contact ngai ba people foundation by pano contact ang ba yakatara dina jepon contact ngai norok khana angka thangai mano but kabangma borok te kaisa kok bosama khana wa jaga ang adma khoyo je father haste o si rohona na ji tangai Tripura the job remain hanai ang koek at borok rong ni question nang clear khaje mo song nai di proti bosor chini Twiprasarogno Bangalore Hyderabad ba kini ni Chennai Kerala rogo thangai hazar hisabai borok pass out ngong kori phayo and Tripura na jene koita hospital tongba hospital kotor hingana se GB hospital aja gaw bo tabung nurse pura full Tripura sarkar ba edi sarkar ni koijon job ro nai ba possible ya bo jotono job re mane jodi kaham ke wan sukui nai yung kangkai ba example kaisa ro na kaisa doctor porijak bo India also si job khanya mu sunya bo thangai America job khanya tangai salary package kaham lifestyle kaham aroni culture kaham ba krangai jodi norok baba ke krangna mu tungo ka thani tabo kong ni kok nang jaga job join thaiga no 5 বছর ni bai fix hoton ka 15000 bai right nini income bose kang thanai ba
Tripura uta Tripura ni kok sai
tong mata badhai pana jana navis ejar jodi opportunity rekha 5 বছর ni bagai Japan thang job khanya ni ajaga brok room and accommodation joto rui tong aboni porese ni no salary package so aboru jodi ni 5 বছর kaham ke chakri khai phekya hangka jaga wo noni life no oro je amount rang tu wana jodi no hisab khanya ji musuk abo nang sara jibon asugui chai thangmanu kaisa peacefully asuk chai thangmanu jodi kaham ke wan sugui thangna hanai tongnai rong ni bagi hingkai ba je borok thangnai rok hingkai borok saimanai bo bahai bukorong ta saimanai bo bahai borok ni Japanese culture ba opportunity bo bahai tongoni jemon Maharashtra ka je Japan ni phai je purang Japan thangai rok Himalaya ang coaching same thing sungbo ba hiken coaching nai chini borok chim Tripurasa asal joroti shui father haste o thangai je out of country o thangai ajaga o chin Tripurasa riganai borok phan kani be rajak no kasang jungbo proud feel khanya because chin Tripurasa sungbo ban mu sungo Tripurasa ro kaham opportunities man thang Tripurasa ro kaham samongo yakong rutung kaham jaga yakong rutung tai bong ni nok no khong no kaham ke tisik lang ono mu
hamba